Hey guys, I'm Jamie Johnson from Essential and Design RV Caravans. We've recently purchased Zone RV. Very excited about it, excited about the opportunity and what it can bring the company. I've always looked at it and been excited about what they do and how they go about it. I can't wait to get in there, get behind the driver's wheel and take it forward. We can't wait to get behind the wheel and start communicating with some of the people out there that have paid money. Obviously, it's an unfortunate situation. I will talk to each and every one of them personally to make sure that we can accommodate those that we can, because there's a lot that have already spoken to me that are excited about still getting a zone, and we want to try and do whatever we can to do that. There's a lot of great people that work there that are excited about coming back. We've made lots of calls. I think we're going to put together a bit of a dream team at Zone. The people that were there before, we've already made calls and they're really keen to get back. I've really found talking to the people that I'm going to call them zoners, they're a tight bunch. I can't wait to get them in and part of our family. I'm excited to do that. Meet a lot of them, get back to the Hangar experience. We're also major sponsors of events like the Monday Music Festival, the Big Red Bash, the Tamworth Country Music Festival, and all the zoners will become part of our greater family. And we can't wait to sort of enhance that customer experience. I know there's a very, very tight community. We want to service that from a warranty and support perspective. We're looking forward to putting something together that supports all those people that currently own a zone and increase the customer experience going forward with some of the things we already do. Looking forward to what we're going to be able to bring to Zone as a company. We think we'll be able to work on some of the things that we think we do well, and that's to bring a warmth to the interiors of a zone. With all the excellent engineering that currently comes with them. Yeah, looking forward to getting back to that lightweight mentality that what made a zone was that it could be towed by any vehicle. Bringing in some new things, I think a single axle in the not too distant future that can be towed by cars that have got 3-ton limits, but making the bigger vans like the one behind us as light as we can possibly make it, but still as rugged and as well engineered as it is now. It's very important that day one that we can get everything done and the customer experience where you can go to the website and configure your Peregrine, your Sojourn, your Summit, or your Expedition, that we get that turned on straight away, where you can configure it, go through your weights, get your price, and go through the customer experience that everyone enjoyed in the past. It's important that we continue to provide that support that's been there in the past, whether it be the knowledge base, warranty support, just general customer support's very important to us. It's important to us in our other business. We employ about 8 people full-time in our Essential and Design RV business for warranty and support. It's a very important part of our business and will become a very important part of the Zone journey. Obviously, we've got to restore confidence in the community, the Zone community and the future Zone owners. Going forward, there won't be any progress payments. We'll be just going back to an industry standard 10% deposit with the balance when you're picking your van up. I think that's important to start to restore confidence in everyone. And it's part of what is a core value of ours, is to make sure that we're transparent and honest in all our dealings with our customers. What I'm very excited about is it was very important for me to have business continuity, that we could walk back in day one and get the wheels turning. So it's been very exciting. We've got some really key people that have come back to the business. Everyone wants to get back to Zone. There was a great culture. People were excited about working there, and we can't wait to get them back. It's been great to make some of these calls to different people. We've obviously had some key people stay in the business to keep the wheels turning. They've still been producing vans, and we've been able to talk to those people and sort of ask the people that they wanted to get back. We're obviously not going to have 250 people at Zone when we come back in. So what we've got is we're going to have 50 or 60 people that we think's a real dream team. We've got the ones that they really want to be there. They want to be at Zone, and we've handpicked them because they're the best people for the job. There's a reason why I've purchased Zone. When I come up and look through the place, there's a lot that they do that's so much better than what the rest of the industry does. I'm down in Campbellfield. I'm one of 100 manufacturers down there, and I can tell you that no one builds a van like Zone does. We think that we can actually take it further with some of our ideas as well. Looking forward to getting back to that lightweight, well-engineered product, but we think we can bring some exciting things in the future. We can't wait.